Hello guys, today we have a review of a new drone which costs $250. It has 3-axis stabilizer camera and the name of it is Seafly 2 Phase 2. So it's quite a famous brand in China. It's doing drones similar to DJI but much lower price. And it came from China for around 2-3 weeks delivery, and the price with promo code was about $250. And the seller put on this box $130 estimation cost, so on our custom clearance, which is $150, it passed easily without stopping by customs. So it came in the box a bit damaged, but seems inside fine, and think there will be no any issues inside because the box is quite protected, let's say. Yeah, so it delivered fast. Let's open it. So that's how it looks like inside. I took a version without without package, so it's just a package from customer. Then you have micro USB charger. And then you insert battery here, so it's in charging really slow. It's only 0.7 ampere, and you see it's just quite good quality charger, but still, you know, you need to bring it with you all the time. You also have indicator. When you charge it, it's blinking red, and when it's fully charged, it's green. Then you have remote control inside. So let's put it from right side. Let's see what else we have. You have such sort of band here. I don't know why they put it here, because they didn't put the backpack for this drone. Yes, they have version with a small backpack where you can put it, but I took without it. What else we have here? We have micro USB cable here. Also, we have two sticks where you put it on the remote control, and it's more convenient to use it. Actually, I use it without them, but still fine. Also, we have some, we can replace some parts of it. Yeah, so it's here by default. And also you have some screw, yeah, here. Okay, you have also some gift, sunglasses. Also quite nice. It's around like, I don't know, $2-3, but they just put it for free. It was in description to this product, so it's more convenient maybe to operate with this drone using the sunglasses, but still for free, you know, it's fine, $2. Okay, so let's check the drone itself. Also, what we have here, yeah, we have instruction here, like user manual in English, third version of the manual, and you see the drone picture inside. Also, you have QR code to download the app, so it's quite convenient, quite handy to use in English. So you see what's inside. You have propellers, but you don't have phone holder. Yeah, actually it's here, but for truly it's not there. Also, you have some battery disclaimer, which is, I think, not that interesting. Some operation guide, how to avoid explosion. So boring, yeah. Also, you have some Chinese, what is warm tip. Yeah, you need, before turning on, you need to put off the cover of camera and wait a bit. So okay, it's clear. Let's put everything away and just keep remote control and our drone itself. Yeah. Okay, let's put a drone here. Let's start from remote control. So let's see, based on my preview, it's more or less the same size as drone, and drone looks like hand, let's say. Yeah, you can put it inside your hand and perfectly fit. You have two antennas here, real antennas. You see the cable, it's not just fake one as in the cheap Chinese drones. So you have also micro USB charger here. You have also some dynamic here, yeah, or just also you have 2600 ampere hour battery. It works on 5.8 gigahertz or 2.4 gigahertz, so it's basically Wi-Fi 5 or Wi-Fi 2.4. It's connecting with your phone with 5 megahertz and 2.4 with the drone. Also, you have this gimbal like direction, where it should be, top or bottom. Yes, you have GPS here, on off. Also you have automatic coming back. Also you have pulse, just to keep it in the air. Also phone, yeah, you can put your phone here. It's up to 7-inch, I think, so even some small tablets, but my phone is 6.7 inch. It's feel almost good, but really hard to put it in. So if you have 7-inch, I think it will not even fit. Let's turn it on. So if you just click it one time, you see the battery charging. If you click and hold, you will turn it on. So now you see it's on. You have this power indicator. It's also green. Let's turn it off. Okay, yes, you see it's disabled. Let's close it. We don't need it right now, so let's review the drone itself. Basically how it looks like when it's unfolded. So basically quite convenient to carry it with you using some, I don't know, some bag or backpack. Don't need that much space. Let's open the instruction and see what it's showing inside and how to use it. So let's see. Return to home, remote control status, how to charge it, and yeah, basically it shows you battery charging capacity, the same as on the remote control actually. Yeah, just some technical description, specification. Okay, so you can look at size, weight, the weight, GPS, GLONASS. Maximum height is 500 meters. Max total travel distance 19 kilometers. 35 minutes maximum flight duration. Maximum speed 20 meters per second. And the weight is around 518 gram. So it almost fits the category of 500 gram drones, but still it's a bit more than 500 gram. So basically that's the size, as you see, 3-axis gimbal. So you can roll it plus minus 35 degree. Also you have camera. So you have a Sony sensor, it can record 40K, image size 20 megapixels, maximum video bit 60 megabits. What else? Memory 32 gig, but you can insert here more. So that's the description. Okay, 128 gigs here. UHS 1 speed great. The battery is 3100 milliampere hours. And the weight is almost half of the drone. Also you have the app here description. So live view quality is 720p. And transmission of FPV is around 5 kilometers, but for real life it's 2-3 kilometers. 3 kilometers is maximum. Inside the city I guess it's up to 1.5 kilometers. Okay, also some description of remote control. So charging is around 3 hours of the remote control if it's full and charged. Okay, let's put this out, let's put it away, and just back to our drone. So you have like such engines inside, looks quite good and looks safe, and when it's flying it looks like this. Yeah, so it's spin around, the propellers just like this. Let's open it up. So the one axis, so you can move them like you want. It's quite convenient. Okay, second axis, they also show some indicators here, how to open third and fourth axis. So that's how it looks like when you unfold it. You can also fly from your hand. Here is cover of the camera. Here is just, I don't know, just for decoration thing. Doesn't look that good as for me. So you can hold it like this. From bottom you have some gum here. Yeah. Also you have some indicators here. I think it's indicators like a proximity sensor. When it moves closer to the ground, it will like count the distance. Yeah. So also it looks really good. You can fold it and it's quite safe here. What else? Yeah, here you have some covers for for camera also looks really safe. Also, you have two indicators here, one green, one red. The battery here, that's how it looks like. So basically it's around 30% of entire drone. Now it's really light without battery, so battery is quite heavy. Also, you can insert micro USB SIM card here. It's quite hard to put it out, but still that's really good because when you're flying it will not be out. I have 64 gigabits UHS 3, and it's quite cheap for now, so you can buy a similar one for around $6-7, but you need to buy a really high quality one, so it will support the maximum format of 4K 60 megabits per second. Okay, let's close it. It's not that convenient, but better to close it that way, so it will be inside and okay, the sensors are not really against water, like waterproof. Also, they show how you can open it in the right direction. Phase 2 here, indication, fly, fly brand. Okay, basically the battery looks like this. You can also indicate have indicator of the battery charging here. So quite convenient also to check. So it's used that it's need 2 seconds to turn it on, turn it off. What else? It's written that it's secondary lithium battery, so maybe already used. The maximum charge voltage is 13 volts, nominal voltage, and yeah, that's a reused battery based on what's written here. Secondary, yeah. Okay, so let's put it inside like this, close it, so you have sticks like this. When you press it, you can put it out really easy. So that's how it looks like. Now let's open remote control. Let's enable it. Just let's test it out. Let's connect it and see how it works. Without phone, just connect it. Yeah, you see indicators here, red from left and right. And when it's flying, you also can see it. So, okay, now I put this out. Okay, as you see, it's just automatically stabilizing. Better not to do it like I did it. Hold it in my hands. It should stay in a right surface. Yeah. So I'm not outside, so will not just turn it on. Just show you how it works. As you see, it's 3-axis. So as you see, it's stabilizing quite well, even in my hands. Basically, it shouldn't be like this, like I hold it, but still. It should work fine. I will test it outside, so we'll go out. I think for this unboxing is enough, so just after 10 seconds you will see the test drive. Okay, so now let's try it. Our first try. Let's open it up, turn it on, and put it somewhere on the ground. Open the camera, put it on a surface, then open our remote control, turn it on, insert my phone, Xiaomi Mi 10 Pro. Let's open the app CFly and put it inside. Okay, start flying. Let's connect. Let's wait for connection. Let's restart it again. Just need some time to connect using Wi-Fi. Let's double check. Yeah, it's connected, direct Wi-Fi. Still doesn't work. Okay, let's try one more time. Let's choose the right Wi-Fi. Okay, that's a different one. Ground. It's called ground, yeah. Okay, now we see from camera how it looks like. It's preparing to start. Okay, let's go a bit away. Let's wait for GPS signal and let's start. Okay, I will show the camera. Let's go up. Okay, basically we are flying. We're in the air. Let's check how it works. So basically we are going up. It's around 30 meters, 40. The connection is quite stable. So let's make it 100 meters, not to touch the buildings around. So as you see, the picture and the quality is like this. So now it's 80 meters, 90. So we also can use a camera remote control. Now we can put it down, so it looks not bad, so we can see where we are flying. Put it back up, 119 meters now. So let's review 360, how it looks like. So I think, yeah, you're watching this video right now. So basically how it looks like, go up, a bit more up. Let's scroll the camera down, up. So that's how you can change the angle of your camera. So you move your drone left and right using the left stick. So let's, yeah, this stick is for moving forward and moving backward. So basically we use left stick to put left and right, and use the right stick to move forward or move backward. Let's go a bit down. Without the like extinguisher of the Wi-Fi, it doesn't work that well when you have so many buildings inside. I have GPS signal with 15 satellites connected, but still it's not stable. So let's put it down. And he is nearby, so yeah, let's just put it down. Let's click the button, return button, yeah, so I don't know whether you see it in the air. It's quite far away, but let's try to put it down in the same place and see whether it will go. Okay, so I clicked, it's going down in the same place where we started. So I do it manually, it's much more convenient and wind resistant. So as you see, it's going down, and just click to return. So that's it. Thank you for watching. See you next time.